8:03 a.m. Have a great day.
Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog on my channel. And look at the weather, it's raining in Dubai. That is very unusual. Wow, the weather looks beautiful. And this is the hotel. I didn't show you my hotel, right? This is Burj Haman Arjan by Rotana. Very nice hotel, directly connected to the mall. So as soon as you get out of the room, you get everything. Alright, so it's raining. I hope this rain ends and the sun comes out because we have a lot of things to check out today. Let's go! Alright, so we just had some food. The food was absolutely delicious. Now we're going to Creek, guys. This is like the old Dubai, not the modern type with all the buildings. We're gonna get some nice locations over here. We can do boating also. Let me show you. Alright, we're gonna do some boat riding. Hyper smooth on the Hero 7 Black is crazy awesome, guys. Just look at the footage. The board is actually shaking a lot, but thanks to hyper smooth image stabilization, there is very minimum shake in the video. The video looks buttery smooth. The scenery here looks very beautiful. This boat is actually called a water taxi here, and it's not free. If you want a complete boat for yourself like a private ride, they'll charge you around 20 dirhams, or if you go in the regular public ride, they'll charge you only around like 1 dirham. It was super cheap and awesome. I'm having a great time here. The water taxi ride was for about like 10 to 15 minutes, where they give you a tour around the creek. Also guys, there's one more info I'd like to share. There's a company called Thrilophilia which has collaborated with GoPro and started a program called as GoPro Passport. So this program is all powered by Thrilophilia, where they offer some exclusive benefits for GoPro customers to encourage traveling. They give you discounts, badges, rewards and much more. So if you own a GoPro, then just go to their website and sign up to unlock all these special benefits. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. So that was our ride in Dubai water taxi. Very nice ride. The ride was really good. I really enjoyed it and got to see some nice locations in the water. Woohoo! Okay guys, I told you that we'll be coming to a special place today, right? Welcome to Dubai Autodrome. Now here we booked a Ferrari GT. We'll be getting an experience with a professional driver driving that Ferrari GT. Wow, let's go inside. Alright, so let me tell you what actually happened. We booked the Ferrari GT passenger ride experience, but since it's raining in Dubai, right, they said we can't give you the Ferrari GT because that comes with the normal tires, which is not suitable for these wet roads. So they shifted us to the McLaren P1. McLaren P1 has those anti-skid tires. I don't exactly know which McLaren car. I'll tell you about the model once we sit in that. But for now, we're not going with the Ferrari GT. We'll be going with the McLaren. It's got those anti-skid tires, so it's best for this wet roads. Even when it's raining, nothing's gonna happen. So yeah, we still have like 15-20 minutes before the ride starts. I'm super excited to sit in that car and experience how it's gonna be driving a supercar. Awesome. I'll be taking a passenger drive experience in this McLaren. Look at this car. Oh my god. Dragon racing. So this is what we'll be going for, the McLaren Sprint Race, where we'll get to experience a McLaren MP4 12C on the Dubai Autodrome racetrack.
Have you got anywhere you can leave?
Alright, now we're going to the racetrack to get into our McLaren MP4. It's not the P1, it's the MP4. That's a super crazy car. I'm gonna show you that right now. It's very windy today. Thank God at least the rain stopped. We could enjoy the experience. So we're gonna go choose our car. Vimal. Yeah. Okay. I'll just gear out, right? So how did you feel?
Awesome experience.
Awesome, right? Oh my god, that was a crazy experience, guys. We hit a top speed of around 300 kmph on the racetrack. The McLaren MP4 GT is no joke. It's an absolute beast and I had crazy fun on the track. So let me just give you all a tour of this car. So this is how beautiful the car looks like. Just look at those interiors. Most of the parts are made of carbon fiber, like the steering wheel, the dashboard control panel, and a lot of other stuff. Wow, amazing machine. Just look at these seats. It says McLaren GT and we're super comfy, but the space inside the car was less, it was tight, and the seating position also very low. Now talking about the drive modes, this car has 3 modes: drive, neutral and reverse. The McLaren 12C has Formula 1 inspired gear shift paddle mounted on the steering wheel. It lets you swiftly pull or push through the gears. And just look at this awesome paint job on the car. Coming to the wheels, it's got super lightweight forged wheels and Bridgestone tires to offer maximum performance with good grip on the track. And here's the back look of the car. Holy smokes, just look at that view. Super huge carbon fiber spoiler, 2 exhaust, and the design is full of aerodynamics. Talking about the doors, it's got their signature dihedral doors which are lighter and more aerodynamic than the regular ones. And even they are also fully made of carbon fiber. The finishing, the paint job, the performance, everything you see here is engineered to perfection on the car. Such a beautiful car. I'm in love with this McLaren. Wow. I'll also show you the engine. The McLaren MP4 12C is powered by a twin-turbo V8 3799cc M8 380 engine that can produce a bhp of 625 and hit a top speed of 333 kmph. That is insane. So that was it for today, guys. We're done with the McLaren passenger ride experience, and they also awarded us some certificates for riding that. Let me show you. Ta-da! This certificate is awarded to Vimal Chintapatla for attending the McLaren passenger ride experience. Awesome! So that was it for today's vlog. It was an amazing day and I hope you guys also enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.